how to see first Instagram messages without scrolling. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily see the first Instagram messages without scrolling. So first thing, make sure you have downloaded and installed this application, which name is Tap Scroll from the Play Store, as it's available on Play Store. And once you're inside here, you just simply have to enable this like this and click on agree. Just click on install the application and enable the Tap Scroll button by allowing it. And once you do that, head back to your application, and as you can see, it's done. So your setup for the Tap Scroll application has been done. So what I want you to do is simply open your Instagram application, and once you're inside your Instagram application, head over to your chat section. And once you're inside any of your chat section, I want you to do is simply click on the top button over here like this. As you can see, you just scroll down from there and to see the first message without having to scroll. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.